Alright, so the next thing that I have on my list to do is to cut up the bumper crash beam, just right over here. So I'm just kind of putting in there for a rough mock-up of where I need to cut. And in this case, I found that I'm going to use this end of this hole here as a guideline for the cut, just to make it more uniform, even though I probably don't need it here. And that's the toe hook that I was talking about that I need. So I will cut that out and see how it goes. And if it doesn't work, for me to keep that toe hook, I'll probably just cut this side off and take that. But it's nice to have a little protection. I heard that these are supposed to crumple up, so they're not even supposed to protect you that much, at least under 20 miles per hour. So I figure if I cut this off, probably still be protected at around 5 miles per hour. So it'd be nice to salvage it, but if not, then there is always other ways. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that now. Alright, so I got my angle grinder here. It's a $20 BLACK+DECKER from Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting. I want to see how far this can go. As you guys can see, we already cut around in the joint area. Now I just have to snip the edges of the cut, up over there, and hopefully this thing falls straight out. Alright, so cutting up that crash beam didn't really go as much as planned, just because there was something in the middle holding. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut around this right here and grind it up, make sure that everything is nice and flat. As you guys can see, after finagling it for a bit, we got it to fit on just right. The section that I cut right over there looks to be right, and hopefully my oil cooler is still gonna fit inside the bumper, but I'll see about that. Now, one thing is to note for this side of the bolts, the washer fluid reservoir is in the way, so I'm gonna have to take that off. Not a big deal. There's one bolt right over here, and then another one down there. Let me see if I can see it. It's in there. You guys will be able to see it. It's in that 2 pillars right there. And finally, a clip here, and that should just come out downwards. You lift it up, lift that up. There's a little support at the bottom of it. Alright, so once you guys got that washer fluid out, it's easy from there because you can access all the bolts, like so, as well as on the other side, no problem. Right, so finally, with the foam bit, you guys can see a little cut right there. Just cut it up to where the my lines fit, so you guys can see, and it should fit right in. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bumper back. I don't think I'm missing anything else down here. Yeah, check my couplings, still looking good, strong. So yeah, hopefully I'll be able to clean her up today.